Hi guys, today we're gonna talk a little bit about this camera here, and it's not especially about this camera, it's more about the history and what time this camera comes from. So, this is the Samsung AF Zoom 1050. Okay, you never heard of this model before? Me neither. I had one of my first cameras I bought on a flea market was a Carina AF Zoom 105, I think, something like that, because this camera has like a 38 to 105 millimeter lens. So, and I think like this camera it's an alright film camera. So it's, what's the weight? It's not a high-end model, but that's exactly what we're gonna talk about. So it's about 400 grams with the batteries, and it's quite big. It's, yeah, I mean, you can carry it around. It's nothing wrong with this camera. I took it to a birthday from a friend of mine. I took some amazing pictures with it, with the flash. Easy to use. I think this is perfect. You mean for somebody who's not really into film photography and just wants to take a couple of pictures with flash, with some drinks involved maybe, they look perfect. I'm honest. So you won't shoot portrait with this camera or something. I wouldn't. And yes, that's all right. But what do you guess? What was the price of this? Or like the Carina, which is like the same camera. I couldn't get a price for this camera. In Germany in 1995, when it was released, it was 350 Deutsche Mark, German Mark, 350. So, and when they changed the currency with the European Union, it was like one German mark is like 50 cents, or 1 euro is 2 German mark. Is it like this? Yeah. So this camera would cost about 100, now let it be 100, my head is 175 euros. Nobody would ever pay so much money for this camera today. It's like a disposable camera that you can use again. Like from the quality, it has some zoom and some nice features, but today everybody got their phone, so why should I buy something like this? You know, when you shoot with film, you know the reasons, but for me it's about the price. So we said 175 euros. But no, this is not adjusted for inflation. Adjusted for inflation, we have an inflation of 75. That's what Gemini said. 75.2%. So with inflation, with what is it called? Kaufkraft in German. Kaufkraft, English. Purchasing power, spending, buying power. I think you will get what I mean. It's 312 euros. 312 euros for this camera. That's like when there's something in Germany called the mini job. So you can work without paying taxes and social security, and the amount you can earn, it's like capped to 600 euros. So, and I think you get it with like the minimum wage in 20 hours per week. So you have to work 40 hours in a month to buy this camera today. So of course not. This camera is 10 euros on the flea market, probably. If you're lucky, you can maybe get it for 5. But I think it's like, for me, it's not, I don't want to talk about this camera. I just want to talk about the sign and what it's, you know what I mean. Would you work 40 hours, minimum wage job, to buy this camera? Maybe Gemini said in the era this camera was created, you had to pay work like 1 month a normal apprenticeship salary to buy this camera. Nobody in the whole world would do that. Like, yeah, this is like really a sign of the time. Well, how things change. You can now buy. I paid for my iPhone, which is filming this video. I paid 200. I have the receipt here because I need it for my tax, to get my taxes back. Don't pay taxes. Taxes are robbery. I paid like, I think, not even 300 euros. Not even 300 euros, like 250 euros for this camera. And it can make 4K videos. It can order me a pizza. And the only thing this camera can make is, you know what, you get what I mean? Like, of course, I went to Colombia and I did with my phone, and I did a lot of pictures, but the pictures I look at are the 72 pictures I took with my film camera, with portrait. And I don't. No, I didn't even take portrait with me. I just took with color gold. So it you get what I mean. The times changed. Times changed, and yeah, but I just wanted to talk about this because I found this very interesting. That this camera would, like, with my wage, I have to work like, when I buy this on the flea market, for half an hour to buy this camera, maybe in today's used prices. When I had to work, and I think minimum wage, they just made minimum wage about 10 years ago here in Germany, but you probably would get like 5 euros per hour in a job you didn't have to go to school for. So you can, yeah, how many hours if you had to work for this? 70 hours, like a monthly, maybe, yeah, like 1 week, 2 weeks of work just for this camera. So I just wanted to tell you that. So that's it. New videos are coming soon. If you're interested in kind of more this talking videos with just me putting on the camera and talk about the camera, just tell me. See you guys soon.